Hi again, and welcome to another edition of Reiki Master Albert here on Reiki with Albert. So how are we all doing today? The previous two videos, I hope they help you, heal you. There's a full meditation video in the video before this one. Today, it's after midnight, so this is a midnight. I like doing the ones after midnight. They're more powerful, more healing. Okay. So I want you to focus on whatever is troubling you right now. What brings you to me today? I want you to feel relaxed, sit down, find a quiet place, and be at peace with yourself. All right? How was your day today? Was it great? Was it wonderful? Was it sad? Was it lonely? When you're with me, you're never alone. Remember that, okay? Good. Peaceful Chimes helps you mentally, emotionally. It helps you. Whether you have stress, anxiety, depression, it clears your mind. That blast of that tones. Clear quartz. Amethyst. Rose quartz, black tourmaline, all raw stones. They're rough. They are more powerful. They come from Mother Earth in a Tibetan bowl. Now, tuning fork, healing. powerful healing. Focus on the stone. Feel the energy of the stone. Make it help heal you. Bring you back to who you were. Make you feel positive again. Okay. Ox. This stone, very powerful. Reiki Master Stone. All the healing on here. I can't show you all the symbols, but the power symbol is what I have in my hand. I send you this power. Send this power to you. Send this power to. 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 Send. Selenite, powerful, cleansing, mystic energy, mystical stone. All stones have their own unique power in them, and this is very powerful. Sleep with this. This helps you sleep, have peaceful dreams. Charm and rattle. Remove all negative energy from you. Help heal you. Send those evil spirits away. Removing everything from you. Yeah. All right, we have one more to do. I'm going to sage you, and this will help remove anything else. Close your eyes, or you can watch me. Get your top of your chakra I'm cleaning all your chakras out. I'm sending you grounding, neutralizing, remove all toxicity out of you, make you feel better. All those tones, they do the same thing. But this is the final step. And you have the mystical lavender, takes away evil as well, makes you feel neutralized. Okay. You now should feel middle now. Okay. Watch the other video for the meditation. It's a much powerful video. Okay. I have now neutralized everything on you. You should feel much more enlightened. I send you all the tones, different frequencies to help strengthen you, make you better than you are. Thanks again for watching. Be sure you subscribe to the channel. Shantae, that's peace for you and only you.